In this video, I am going to show you how I bake chewy ginger cookies. So in the container are half cup of brown sugar and 3/4 cup of soft margarine, or you can use butter. So I'm using a spoon to cream the margarine and the brown sugar until well combined. So now that the sugar and the margarine well combined, I am adding 1 egg. I am adding 4 tablespoons of molasses. In the container is 2½ cups of all-purpose flour. I thought I was recording, but obviously not. The battery overheat and the camera stopped recording, and I did not realize this until after I added the ingredients to the flour. Alright, so listen carefully. 2½ cups of flour, all-purpose flour in the container, right? To the flour, I added 2 teaspoons baking soda, 1 teaspoon ground ginger, ½ teaspoon salt, and ½ teaspoon cinnamon. And of course, you can play the video on repeat if you miss any of those ingredients. So now I'm going to add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, but I'm going to pass it through a strainer. So now I'm using a spoon to combine all the ingredients. I place a small piece of parchment paper on a cookie sheet. I did not grease the parchment paper. I also have a small amount of brown sugar, which is really optional, and I also have a teaspoon. So now I'm going to measure the dough into the teaspoon. And then I am going to roll the dough into small balls and then roll the balls into the sugar, which is optional. I am not going to flatten the balls. In the meantime, put the oven to preheat at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius, or you can also put it gas mark 4. Yeah. Place each ball about 2 inches apart. I'm gonna bake the cookies for 11 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, man, so 11 minutes and only 11 minutes because I don't want the cookies to be overdone. They should be soft and chewy. So the cookies are baked, all done, soft, chewy, perfect. I made a second batch. These are bigger and I did not roll them into the sugar. They are so soft and chewy. One way to know or to tell that the cookies are done is when the cookies are cracked, but the dough inside the cracks doesn't look quite finished. At that time, remove them from the oven. If you let them stay in the oven, they will be overdone. They will be tough. You don't want that. You want soft, chewy cookies.